friends. I'm super excited to share a process video with you guys. It's been so long since I've done a process video. It's just like usually whenever I start crafting now, I just get in my own zone. So I just forget about recording it. But I decided to do a quick one just to get back into the video making of process videos. So I'm just doing the cover of my mini album, and I've actually already shared a flip through of this mini album, so I'm going to link that down in the description box so you can check that out if you haven't. So we went to San Francisco for the weekend. It was just like a little birthday celebration, and I've always wanted to go to San Francisco, so it was like a dream come true. It was amazing. We had so much fun. So I'm using the Cocoa Daisy Simple Dory from September, and then I'm using the alpha stickers from that kit as well. And then that Black Vacation word thing is from a past kit, but I don't remember what kit it's from. So I'm just spelling out San Francisco. The gold letters are from my stash, and I just love how like big they are, and like it makes the gold from the gold doily pop out more. So yeah. So now I'm just gluing down the vacation with some Tombow glue. Sorry, that was my phone. I pressed from silent. Told you it's been a long time since I've done these process videos. But yeah, so this was super easy to make. And I'm happy that I'm sharing it with you guys. So yeah, I also wanted to include a picture on the cover, but I didn't want to cover out the owl, so I decided to do it on this flip side. So using the rest of that gold doily, so your eye goes back and forth, I'm gluing it onto the other side. That way I have like a layer to start off with for this Golden Gate picture. I love how this came out. So my phone was like out of focus because of the sun, so I got like this silhouette version of the Golden Gate Bridge. If you've never seen the Golden Gate Bridge, it's on my travel bucket list, so now I finally got to see it. It's absolutely amazing. We didn't get to walk it, but it's still so beautiful to just drive across and just see. But yeah, so now I'm just cutting out some of the paper. This was from the 12 by 12 paper in the September kit as well, the memory keeping kit. And I kind of wanted it to look like a Polaroid type of thing, but with the decorative paper. So I'm cutting that. So I'm doing that on my cutting board, which is why I'm not in the screen right now. And I also want to apologize for that sun glare, whatever you want to call it. Can't really control the sun, but I really wanted to record. So it was one or the other, and I didn't think you guys would mind the sun. So yeah, I'm just using some double-sided tape and taping it on, and you see how I left like a thick border on the bottom like it would be for like a Polaroid. So now you get what I was trying to do. So now again, I'm just using the Tombow glue, and then I'm going to paste that on. We do want to go to San Francisco again because we didn't get to do like Alcatraz, and we didn't get to walk the pier. We drove like to look at the pier, but we didn't get to walk because we had my dog and he was being super crazy, and it just would have been a hassle with all the people, and we couldn't figure out where to park either. So now I'm just stamping the date. So I'm using my roller date stamp. I think I have the Heidi Swapp one if I remember correctly, and then I'm just using StazOn ink. Is it StazOn or StazOn? How do you say it? I don't know. I feel like I always have this conversation. But if you want to see more process videos, let me know. Let me know what kind of process videos you want to see. Specifically, like what do you want to learn? Do you just want to scrapbook with me? Let me know. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks so much for watching. Till next time. Bye.